Your name?
Hi, I'm Chris, and this is my restaurant, and that's my mom. And
This is your mom here.
yeah.
Tell us about this restaurant here. What are you selling here?
Sodas and
Can you show us those sodas down here? Show us, come.
Coca-Cola, Pepsi, orange root beer, ginger ale, Dr. Pepper, iced tea, Sprite, and grape crush.
Okay. Show us around here. This is your mama's restaurant, right?
Yeah.
So you're Rwandan, right? You're from Rwanda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Continue showing us around, man. Okay. That's cashier down here, right?
Yeah.
That's cashier. Do you usually, do you usually do cashier too?
No.
Do you know how to do it?
Not to open it.
You know how to open it?
Yeah.
Try to open it. Let me see how you do it.
Not to open it.
Wow, nice one. Close it. That's amazing. Continue showing us around here, man.
So this is the oven where you make the pizza, and then that's where we deep fry the wings, and the pizza toppings, and where you get the pizza dough and roll it. Here's the freezer, the barbecue sauce stuff,
Okay.
and here's where we keep like the sauce, lettuce, and stuff.
Drinky beers, alcohol,
And then
fridge.
microwave, some ingredients, and then I don't know what that is, then a sink,
Nice one. Continue.
then we have a TV,
Television here.
yeah, and
It feels good in my heart, in my soul when you're right here beside me. And I don't ever want this day to end. We can watch the waves, have a coke, and just sit here beside me. I take a little of my heart again, so we can feel forever you feel. Together be real, together and no one can stop me when I taste that feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down. So no one can stop me when I taste that feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down. You make it easier to sing, yeah. Make it easier to sing, yeah. With every fading sunset, we see the stars align. We make the simple moments last for a lifetime. So we'll feel forever, you and me together. Make us sing forever and be real together. So no